friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make veg biryani. This is one dish wherein the proportions of spices what you are using should be as perfect to get the very nice flavor of the biryani. So just check out the recipe, and here what I am doing is I am just making the process much more easier, wherein you will find it very easy to make the dish at home. To make veg biryani, first I'll prepare the rice. I have kept the water to boil, and in this I'll add around a cup of rice which I have soaked. I have washed it and soaked it half an hour prior to make it. Here you can see I have just crushed a small amount of black pepper, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 green cardamom, small cardamom that is, and 1 bay leaf. Now the water has got quite a lot heated, so I'll just add the rice into it with the spices. Add around half teaspoon of salt to it and around 1 teaspoon of oil, and now I'll cook it till it is 3/4 cooked. Now the rice is half cooked, still a long way to go, but it has got a very nice aroma of the spices, of the cloves, the bay leaf, the cardamom. Now the rice is 3/4 cooked. I will now drain out the water, and if you want you can remove the whole spices from the rice. Now in 1 glass or a cup, take around 1/4 cup of water and add around 15 to 20 strands of kesar, the saffron strands, and keep it aside for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now in another saucepan, take around 6 to 7 tablespoons of oil. Add around half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it splutter. After the cumin seeds, add the whole spices like the bay leaf, red chilies. I have taken a mix of Kashmiri red chili and for spiciness the other one, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 to 3 cardamom, 1 big cardamom, 3 to 4 pieces of cinnamon stick, a small piece of mace. I'll add all into the oil. Just saute for around few seconds. Add around a whole bulb of peeled garlic. I'm just adding whole because I'm going to grind all the spices. The ginger paste, around this is 3 large onions, and saute till onion turns brown in color. It gets caramelized. We'll not burn it, we'll turn it caramelized, and then we will grind all the spices. Add 2 green chilies and keep stirring it. As given the tip earlier, add around a pinch of salt so that the caramelization becomes faster. Add around 8 to 9 pieces of mint leaves, a handful of coriander. Add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, that is dry fenugreek leaves. Now the onions are done. I'll keep it aside for some time. I'll let it cool and then I'll grind it. Now in the same saucepan, add around a teaspoon of clarified butter. Butter you can use whatever is available with you. Add some raisins, around a tablespoon, around 2 tablespoons of cashews, and 10 to 12 pieces of almonds which I have chopped. I'll just toss it up and wait till raisin starts to swell. Even the cashews will start to turn little bit brown in color. It will indicate that the dry fruits have got roasted. And simmer till the paste starts to leave oil from the sides. I'll also add the dry spices, around a heaped teaspoon of red chili powder, a heaped teaspoon of coriander powder, a heaped teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half of 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So I'll just add all into it. Now the paste is done, so I'll add the vegetables. I'll add a bowl full of cauliflower, half bowl of carrot, diced carrot, and half cup of peas. I'll just mix this and I'll cook it. Add the salt for taste. And finally, I just forgot a big potato. I've just diced it. Add that. No biryani without potato. Now mix it. Cover it and cook it for around 10 minutes or till the vegetables are tender. If you want, you can also add French beans into it, but as such I don't like it, so I have not added. So it's up to your choice what vegetables you are using. Now here the vegetables are cooked. I'll add around a cup of curd, and along with that you can see this one is amchur powder, dry mango powder, around 1 small teaspoon, and I'll mix this well. And now again simmer for around 5 minutes. Now the vegetable is done, the rice is cooked. Now I'll pressure cook both the things together layer by layer. Pressure cooking would be without whistle. It would be just I'll cover the lid and I'll cook it. Now here I have taken a cooker, put a layer of rice into it. Just spread it evenly. Add little bit of saffron syrup, the syrup what you prepared. Add the vegetables. Add a layer of vegetables on the rice. Again add a layer of rice onto it. Just spread it evenly. Again add the saffron syrup, the saffron dissolved in water. This will give a nice yellow color to the rice. Again add a layer of vegetables onto it. Again add the last layer of rice. Just spread it across. Add the saffron dissolved in water. Now after the last layer of vegetable, I'll put it on the hob and I'll cover it with the lid and cook for 10 minutes on a very low flame, low heat. Now the biryani is done, rice is also fluffed up very nicely and it is ready to serve. If you have liked this video, click on like and share and subscribe for more delicious recipes on delicacies on the plate.